Hello, once again, my name is Enoc Garcia. I am the founder of Honest Accounting Group, a QuickBooks consulting and bookkeeping firm. And today we're discussing how to enter a bill into QuickBooks Online. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you know that there are two ways to access most of the modules. Today we're going to go through the shortcut. Under vendors, we'll find the bill. So let's go ahead and click bill, and now we have this module. Top left hand corner, we're going to go ahead and select the vendor. If you've created the vendor already, then you should have all the information for the most part pre-filled. Otherwise, you would simply enter add new through here or fill by yourself. Okay, now terms. When is the bill due? Is it due in 10 days, 15 days, or net 30 days? I'm going to select 30 days. The bill date is today and is due in 30 days, which is September 13th. Is this important? Yes, it is very important, because if we were to put due on receipt and it's actually due in 30 days and we pull up an accounts payable aging report, then our report will be wrong because it wouldn't show us what is due and when, and it would also throw off our cash flow reports. So let's select 30 days, make sure that the due date is correct. I'm gonna hit August 18th. This is pre-filled already, but you can simply use the drop down or start typing and the account would show up for you. Let's enter a description. Telephone lines, I'm going to make it 250. Okay, is this billable? What does billable mean? Are we going to charge a customer or client? If you are going to charge a customer or client for this bill, then you can hit bill and then select which client. If it's taxable, select tax. Otherwise, just leave blank. Okay. And we're done entering this telephone bill. However, if you are purchasing product for inventory, you would use the item details, not the account details. The item details will pull up all of the items that you have. If the item is not on here, you would add new. You would simply select the product, everything will be filled in, quantity, let's say we're purchasing 10, at a rate of 650, 65. Once again, is it billable, taxable, billable to what customer, and so on. It is not billable, and we're going to leave it as this. Okay, save. All right, now let's look at a report that shows us that we've entered this correctly. So let's go to reports. And on the top right hand corner, if you start typing accounts, you'll see accounts payable aging or accounts detail or summary. I'm going to do detail. The report is as of today. And if you see down here, we have the bill. Today's date, to bill, the number, August 2018, who we're paying, when we should be paying them, the past due dates, it's not past due, and the amount. This is a brief summary on how to enter a bill into QuickBooks Online. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you know somebody that needs this video, please feel free to share it. Once again, my name is Enoc Garcia from Honest Accounting Group. Thank you.